Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. I'm Josh Simonson. Wanted to go over a brand new boat from Nautique. This is the GS24. This boat we had with Mystic White and the Admiral Blue. Very nice looking boat, so let's go on board. Welcome to the inside of the boat. I want to point out a couple things. The GS24 does come with a couple transom seats, so you're hanging out with your friends. Nice place to sit, got some cup holders. We also got the transom remote from JL. And then in our storage areas, the GS24 is equipped with 2,500 pounds of subfloor integrated ballast. So that means even when we're completely full with ballast, we have room for all your storage and everything inside. It's a very versatile boat. It's a very good boat for surfing, wakeboarding, and they even have a great ski boat as well. So this little pylon just pops up, and if you still like to ski, gives you a nice option for that. As we step inside the boat, we got a nice little walkthrough here. Everything with sea decking. There is a cushion that can be added right here to finish off the entire area. We've got some nice storage. We got a cooler on this side. You can put a cooler on this side, and then you also have a trash can right there as well. In true Nautique form, everything is on self-supporting hinges. And then we also have this seat back right here, so you can sit back, watch that way, have a couple people sit right here, but you can also put it all the way down and have seating all the way across. Again, this is the 24-foot version of the GS series, so plenty of space. This is a 17-person boat, so you can bring your friends and everybody else with you. I want to point out a real quick feature here on the 2018 GS24 is a nice little area to have your cell phones. So you have your cell phone right there, and then you have a couple USB ports for people to charge their phones or Bluetooth their phones to the speaker system. Well, welcome to the helm. I want to point out first this nice race car inspired helm seat. Has a nice big back to it, good support, and then also they put in this nice cutout here for your leg. And then when you're ready to drive, you can turn right back around. And we can direct our attention to the 12.4-inch link pen array system. So as you notice, this is an offset system. It's all the way down here. I got plenty of space to look through the windshield. But everything I need to control the boat is right up in here. I can also control the boat with my helm command. So it's got a nice little place for my arm. And then I have this rotary mouse that I'm able to control all our systems. We do have the camera, Nautique awareness camera. So if you have a surfer or wakeboarder in the water, you're able to see them right through that camera right there. The GS24 has a nice big open bow. You fit 3 to 4 people up here, lots of space, couple cup holders. So if you want to come down and take a look at this GS24 or any other Nautique in our lineup, come on down to our Rogers showroom. I'd love to help you out.